Off with their heads. Yeah. Look at all that meat. Yuck. Anyway, back out on the bridge, trying to clear up. Got some spotty stuff. The other day there were silvers in here, so I'm gonna see if they're still here. And hopefully, let's actually see something maybe. Yep, water's down. Okay, there's nothing here. Moving on. Let's roll. Can't see it, the sunlight. Yes! Big fish. Oh yeah. Oh, did he get off? Nope. Oh. It's a big one. Look at the size of that. I got a big head. You might have to shoot it too. I don't know if I can get that sucker. I'm gonna have to walk it and drag it up the...
You want me to try and see if that works, or you want to drag it up the bank?
I would say... Let me get my line in. Oh, he's a big head. Yeah, try to shoot it. Oh, dang. Oh, man. Oh, I can't hold it. Get your line ready.
I'm trying, honey.
He's a big dude. Oh. Oh, don't get in the branches. Oh my God, I can't. Oh, don't get off. Oh. No, I'm just gonna hold it steady for a minute, let it fight out. Yeah, just be patient. I might walk it up the bank over here in just a second, if I can.
There's a huge branch right there.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get away from that.
Can we try again? Or not?
If you get a clear shot, don't break your limb on the bridge, though.
Oh.
Ooh, it's a big head. I haven't seen one of those up in here in a long time. Just wait and see if he comes back out. Oh, I about ripped my fingers.
At the edge. I can't reach it.
Yeah, I know. Whew, this fish got power. He's a 40 pounder. 40 pounder. Goodness. He's in the rib cage good, so I don't think he's coming off. Hope you guys are seeing this.
Oh, I hit my leg with my arrow.
Oh man.
What is wrong?
Oh, honey. Fifth time's a charm.
That is depressing. What's wrong?
Poke that sucker. Oh my God.
I quit.
All right, I'm gonna try to walk it to the bank. Hold this, let me see your bow and I'll poke it. Okay.
Watch, you're gonna hit it dead on with the wrong hand.
Going left-handed. We gotta get this fish in. Oh, this feels weird. Well, okay, hold on. Let me focus here. Nope, I choked.
See, maybe it's not me.
I'm shooting left-handed.
Well, just think. You can do it again.
Okay, this is really awkward. There we go. Okay. You ready? Just don't drop it. Holy moly, that's a big mother. Oh. Oh,
Oh gosh.
woo! Wow.
More rest. Put your camera out.
Awesome.
Come over here and give me your phone. If you hold this, you can.
Okay. It's the double sticker. Whew, I'm wiped out. Cool. Big head.
That was awesome.
How about wore me out? That's a big fish, guarantee you all of 40 plus pounds. Hardly see those big heads up in here like that. Wow, we gotta start practicing more. That was a shit show. We got her. I was just trying to pull the hair out. She just got splattered right in the mouth. That'll make you tough.
They're damn tough.
Oh, lordy.
When you're not in my strength.
Yeah, I had all kinds of stuff going on. Okay, time out. Oh, you stepped good. Oh, yeah. Epic fish. Alright, she's just gonna bring the car to me because that thing's huge. Whew. That was awesome. Whew. Good night, Dick. Oh, I got junk all over my... Well, at least most of them will fit in there. Yeah, I got blood on my new shirt. Close enough. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna scale it. See how much it weighs.
$33.4 pounds.
Yeah, he's a big one. Cool.
That's 15.14 kilograms.
For the Canadians. Shoe fly. Alright, you big fruit. Come here. 33 pounds. What to handle? Okay. Had to get an extension. Okay, we can get some fillets off this bad boy. There's a huge misconception about bighead carp. They're not bottom feeders, they're plankton top feeders. So their meat is, look at that, pure white goodness. Good stuff. Just gonna use a little Old Bay, a mix of Lowry's, and slow cook them on the grill. Good stuff. Got the coals going. Time to harvest the head for a trophy. Get out of there. Off with their heads. Yeah. Alright, got the coals started. Fish ready to go. I gotta get cleaned up. I'm a mess. Alright. Showered up. Ready to throw some fish on the grill. Alright. So some fish on the grill. The only reason I'm wearing a glove is because I'm tired of washing my hands. Oh yeah. Look at all that meat. Alright, let's let her rest. Oh yeah. A little over an hour of smoking. Oh, look at that color. Good stuff. So I've got my taste tester, which really does not like fish, so we're gonna get her honest opinion, that's for sure. So stay. Here it is. I'm gonna give it a taste test first. I'm gonna do some lime juice. It's always good on fish. Flake some off.
I want this kind.
That kind.
See, this is wet. If it's real dry like that, I'm not even
Yeah,
gonna taste
she likes the dry, flaky meat. I'm gonna let the other one smoke longer too. But it's good. Good white meat. That's good. Try it. Don't be scared. Oh. Look at that.
moist. Is that okay to say on your channel?
Yes, moist.
Doesn't offend anybody?
And there is the little bones, but you can see them pull them. Happy 4th of July, pull them right out.
Actually, they're burning garbage.
Oh,
It's a
that's
huge
neighbors
pile of
burning
trash.
garbage.
Things keep exploding. Yeah, this isn't bad. Taste that.
Yeah,
Taste that part though by
it's
itself.
all good.
That part's not bad.
Mmm.
Okay, am I good?
Yep, they're good. Thanks for participating. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it if you did, and we'll talk to you later. Peace out. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm.